Hello, and welcome to this guide for the replacement of A&M Systems control boards. So you have received your new circuit board and have a few questions, or have already installed it and still have some problems. Let's go through some of the most common questions and installation issues we hear about. The circuit board kit comes with the following: a new circuit board, a motor wire set, a 4-pin connector with red, blue, orange, and white wires, a yellow wire set. Our current circuit board has been designed to be retrofittable with minimal effort. On newer vehicles, it is as simple as removing the connections from the board you are replacing and transferring them to the new one. Older vehicles may require some slight modifications. We have included the other components in the kit to make this as easy as possible. The motor wire set is for connecting the new circuit board to the electrical motor in cases where the old wires are non-removable. The 4-wire connector allows us to add the required Quick Connect plug in cases where the previous circuit board is hardwired. If it is needed, cut the existing wires off the old circuit board, then attach the vehicle wires to the wire of the same color on the new connector. The yellow wire harness is for use with systems that have our auto reopen feature. If this is the case, the existing circuit board will have a similar wire set already installed. If the harness is hardwired to the board, this will be used to replace it. Simply connect each wire to either of the 3/16 spade terminals. If you do not have an existing set of yellow wires, do not use this harness. Removing the circuit board. If there are no visible fasteners, the board will be held down with a high bond double-sided tape. To remove it, use a flat screwdriver or small pry bar to gently lift one side of the board and apply steady pressure until the board comes free. Setting the motor direction. The motor direction is determined by the arrangement of the motor wire connections. To correctly set the motor direction, place a wire on each of the 1/4-inch spades coming out of the board and give the door close button a brief press. If the direction is correct, orange lights on the board should light up and the door will travel briefly in the closed direction. If the door travels in the open direction, the wire locations must be switched. The green lights should come on when the door is opening and the orange lights should come on when the door is closing. If the wires are incorrect, the door will function normally until it comes fully open and then will not close. Again, always check for green lights when the door is opening and orange lights when the door is closing. If this is reversed, switch the motor wire locations to correct it and prevent damage to the system. Door works in only one direction. After installing a new circuit board, some find that their door will only work in one direction. This is usually caused by missing one of the connections between the blue wire harness and the open limit switch. Please check these wires are installed properly. Door comes back open after closing. This can be caused by the auto reopen system. Check for a set of yellow wires coming to the circuit board. If you have them, were they present on the previous board? If not, remove them. If yes, check that the connected switch is activated shortly before the door comes fully closed. Adjust if necessary. No response from the switch. If the new circuit board does not respond at all, check the model number on the side of the old circuit board against the replacement part number you received using the Active PC Boards document to ensure that it is the correct replacement. If this did not resolve your issue, please see our general troubleshooting guide for more assistance. On behalf of A&M Systems, thank you